Nigeria has launched the second voluntary national review report after presenting it to the United Nations High-Level Political Forum. The first report was launched in 2017, 2 years after the signing and adoption of the Sustainable Development Goals at the UN Special Summit. Moyo Thomas reports.
Goals were adopted in September 2015 after the expiration of Millennium Development Goals in the same year. The essence of the goals is to ensure development across the world, especially eradication of poverty. Since its adoption, Nigeria, being a signatory, has worked to ensure implementation of these goals. The Senior Special Assistant to the President on Sustainable Development Goals presented a report on the efforts so far to the UN High-Level Political Forum.
Nigeria has come out from health outcomes.
She thereafter presented the report to the media. The coronavirus public health crisis has affected the implementation of the SDG globally. She says, despite this, the pandemic has also helped to resolve the challenges of Almajiria in the north, as states have adopted the children with a promise to send them to school. The report, according to the Senior Special Assistant, focuses on 7 of the goals prioritized by Nigeria, which is related to President Buhari's agenda.
We know quite sure that COVID-19, unexpected COVID-19 has bastardized the economy of the world and the planning of the world. It has also affected the implementation and achievement of SDGs. As this year is the decade of action, where action is supposed to have come, but with COVID-19, we have a lot of challenges, and the world, everybody complained about that during their presentation.
She also says Nigeria is the first country to bring in the private sector to drive implementation of the SDG. These companies in the private sector are working with government to get out-of-school children back to school. The report also touched on efforts to improve security, which has direct impact on economic growth. The report launched today contains the work the Nigerian government has done on the implementation of the SDG goals, especially the 7 the country has prioritized. Moyo Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.